Yes, it is.
Yeah, get the board on YouTube tonight. Our game will be up.
Does it have audio?
Yep.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I'm gonna start singing then.
Ah.
I'm gonna day run that tree right there.
Ow.
I'm pretty sure
Yeah, no poison ivy landing.
Poison ivy, dude. I think gotta worry more about these prickle bushes.
better not be 3. I'm gonna be mad.
I got trees over here.
4.
Yeah.
4 what?
4 leaves.
I got 3 leaves.
I'm pretty sure. Oh no, they have 3 leaves and a red stem. That ain't a red stem.
No. Oh, you didn't bring this here, did you? No. Okay.
No, he's right. It is 3. Because I landed in it last game. We took fire, so I dove. My sleeves were rolled up because it was real muggy out. No more than 2 inches from me was a giant plant of it, and my arm landed in it. And of course, no one wants to get shot, so I laid there. What's up?
And this here is like a Vietnam style airsoft game. You just sit, wait, and guerrilla warfare.
Yep.
Now back to the game.
I feel like we're camping.
Yeah, you don't want to grab that branch with them. Even though I got to go up and I still don't want to grab it. Just pop it.
I did grab it.
Should you use this for a second? Yeah, I know it might have played with Hawk, but yeah, it still makes my music good. Some of you don't really send it on YouTube.
I'm gonna make that. Oh god.
Hey, like we said before, there is no such thing as atheists in a foxhole, so they can complain all they want.
That's like taking orange juice out.
That's why I eat Cheetos.
If I do that, I'm gonna eat nothing but Cheetos and orange juice all day. Let's see if I piss out orange and brown.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna send it for a Halloween picture. Yeah, you wet. Coming this way?
Can you see him?
Hey, right, turn right to the
Whoa! That's not okay.
What branch are you in?
I'm not in a branch yet. I still got a couple more. I got a month or so. I'm nowhere ready yet. Marine Corps, though. Mm.
You want my orange or my water?
National Guard is for?
Wannabes. I tell him that every night when we argue about this. I go, you wanna be? He's like, you sailor.
That happened to me. That is bad though.
Pum pum.
Right now I'm in the Navy seat,
Bob enough? Where's Bug got Bob at?
Ah, shit, they're behind us?
Cool.
Not cool. Well, I guess they don't actually know where we're at. Austin, we can't all be in here. I'm gonna go take a position over there. Ow. Oops. There you are. Make sure you stay all the way down. We'll be less likely to be spotted. Tell me if you see anything. I pray to God they don't come straight up from behind us. I'm royally fucked if they do. So, how's your day going?
Oh, is that you?
Yep, that's me.
Pretty good. It's pretty fun. How about you?
I'm alright. Nothing better. Could use a little bit less mosquitoes. Overwhelming firepower. Wonder what they're waiting on. Oh, good.
Okay.
Hey, try not to shoot him. I know it's tempting, but I'll be damned. Don't shoot at him yet. Hold your fire. Sneak back in. They don't see us at all.
Right up in front of your tree.
Just wait till they get over halfway across the field. If they start shooting at us and then them, then we fire. If not, we let them get in a kill box and then light them up. Shit, there's a guy over this way by us. Watch behind this sniper dude.
There's a few people walking up.
They see one of us. I think it's sniper. Oh, I think they see Austin. Oh, fucking shot. That's right, you son of a bitches.
Get up ahead of me.
Keep your eye on him. Damn, half a team. That's okay. You still got dominant firepower.
They're sitting halfway through that field.
Fire superiority is all we need. You're taking a knee. Austin? Is that you, buddy? For me? Oh! Backing up a little bit. Austin, you are right over there. What are they doing over there? Good. The moment they start walking towards us, let me know.
I'm not even looking.
It's not necessarily a bad thing for us. Are they trying to shoot at us?
I don't know. They're doing a terrible job. There he is.
He's running.
Yep.
Looks like they're going back.
No, they're coming forward.
About damn time.
Getting a little bored.
They're scattering.
Mm-hmm.
They're going. They're shooting at
Going
us.
behind the bush. They're coming this way.
Hey! Eyes that way. Oh, that's our guy. Oh, do I want to take pot shots at this kid? Guarantee I can reach it. It's a fun little gun right here. Yeah, I think it's out of my fucking head. It ain't working, but it's getting close. There's no point. It ain't scaring him out. His fucking gun ain't working. Timber! He's like, what the hell's going on?
Sucks, bro.
He's gonna run right into Austin and keeps going that way. Where's this kid going? Enjoying myself thoroughly. This kid's gonna eat fire and I'm about to just run out there and take him. Fire superiority. It's okay. Nah, Austin got the one. The other guy I was too far away to hit him anyways.
Yeah.
That was enjoyable though.
Yeah.
Scared him for a few seconds. I didn't feel like chasing him. Not me.
Yeah.
Now here's the thing, I did that, they're gonna think I'm impatient. Oh shit! Hey!
Get my CP's on. Son of a bitch.
Oh, he's hit, he's hit, he's hit!
Oh.
Relax!
Oh, my automatic isn't even on.
Let's go back a little bit. Go around this corner. That way, that doesn't happen again. Yeah, I'll do that for sure. I hate standing up. Get out in the field a little bit here, so the guy's still back there, can't shoot us. I'm not sure it was a great idea for both of us to come, but too late now. I just gotta give him a good fighting match. Ta-da! Me neither. I probably could have just chased him. But I know when there's a losing fight. Don't even bother. Let's go back to our spot. They ain't gonna take us that far. They probably ain't gonna run. That's good. Yeah, we just gotta watch and make sure. Oh shit, they are trying to take us. They're not even making it. No, let's go back and... I don't even think he's shooting anything.
I don't even see anything. Look.
2, 4, 5. Still one guy missing.
Check that there, maybe?
Maybe. Look at all these little guys on camera. Look at this kid, he's watching the other way. This is where it's mistaken. This is where they should be scared because they can only see 2 of us. And there's 6 of us somewhere else. This is where I'd call a pullback. Because for all they know, they're walking right into an ambush. Yeah, what the fuck? I got nothing. What's that? You want to make a push? Okay. You know, the worst part is this is better than this.
What?
450 FPS. I don't even have my gun on 5. Whoops. I like not knowing what number 6 is. Oh, see. You walk away, they start walking forward. Hi.
I would just feel better than the other one we were playing.
Thank you. I think 5 got shot over there. The hell? You're trying to make a horseshoe? That tactic ain't gonna work in the middle of a field. That's their problem.
Especially when they're that far away.
See what usually you do in a whole tree is you come up on the two sides and get the guys stuck in the middle and go straight forward. They're stuck firing on 3 directions. Even if they retreat, they're fucked. All you can do there is hold good cover. Oh, this kid's gonna try and shoot at me. And pray to God you don't get blasted. I had that tactic used against me. That's how I know how it works. So we lost a game during search and destroy. That game I didn't even use my gun.
Oh, there's one.
He's done.
Oh my god.
Fuck, now it's
It's
in my
gonna be
head.
stuck in my head
Damn it.
now for days.
I didn't even realize it.
Dang it, Katie.
Yeah, look at this guy. I want to watch out for him, this one on the end. Watch out for the handguns because those, if they work properly, are good guns. 2, 4, 5. We're still missing one.
And he used to be the one missing.
No, there's one more missing. Because there's only one over there, 3 here, and 1 there. Don't get shot. Okay. Found him. What is this, a Mexican standoff? You're afraid to take one guy and a girl? Man, you must really scare them.
Yes!
Because it sure as hell ain't me. This kid shot himself in the fucking face.
Really?
I don't know if he actually did it or not, but I heard the gun go off. Yep. See? Mix it up there almost. They quit paying attention. I'm about to bull rush their asses. They're not even watching me. Strategic fail. Nah. I love that thing so much. It served me well this past few years. Alright, look at them now. They're going to try and follow us. Keep on camera. What's the enemy's doing while I walk away? Well, we found all 6 of them. Not like the guns are reaching. And they're watching me now. All you gotta do is watch one of these guys don't go in there. Is that a cleared gun over there?
I know one of them had one. I used to have one.
Yeah. They're making plans to take us. This?
Not this far, but
What gun? Probably no more than 15, 25 feet.
they're gonna come in clans.
Yeah. Well, their mistake is they're in the middle of the field. We'll just fall back into the fucking brush.
It's a good spot to face.
Wasn't sure how good he was gonna look at first. Important this. Hi. Yeah, yeah. No, that won't go too far that way. Hi. Man, I think it's just like looking at you.
Mm-hmm. My strategy distract.
I don't think I killed himself off.
Yeah.
Just be done. It's okay. Wouldn't blame me. While we're talking. 75 forward march. To an open field. What's he doing? Oh, raise it up. We're making a push. I'll be damned. Go ahead and get back in the bushes. I'll stay out here and play Mexican style. Oh shit. Fuck. They're making a police line. Oh, he sunk. Remember, you've got fire superiority, longer range. Wait. I think he's dead. Make sure none of them try and sneak around me.
You know, I think it's funny. You guys have a good tactic.
Shit, hit! I'm hit. It's alright. Damn it, this is unwound, so I just reloaded it. This one ran dry, I didn't pull it all the way.
Probably still have some more.
It's alright, let's go back to base. There's no point in standing right here and just responding. No, that's our first time shot.
Yeah, first time.
On average, one ODST can take out an entire squad of Marines.
Hey, that's gonna be a good ass shot for the camera though. That was pretty badass. I'll give you guys that.
Were you recording?
Yeah, just a little camera.
Nice.
Thank you.
I want to go now.
Fuck
You guys shouldn't follow them. They're just trying to respawn. I'm going to go with them because it's hilarious. Watch them get shot.
We had a pretty good strategy going though.
Everyone fall back.
Oh, actually, hiding somewhere.
Austin's somewhere around here. That's probably why I did not speak.
I'm already down with one guy.
How many are they down?
One probably. Because I'm the only one that runs up there with them. So yeah, shot over here. When you shot me, I'm going to graze my head and die.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Really? It made it that far? Wow.
I was running backwards and it was like, oh.
Shit.
I could have called it not, but it was so close that it like pushed my hair back, so I was like, I'll just call it.
I just realized I didn't have my glasses on. Yeah. Austin!
I did.
UAW.
God knows where the LT went. There it is. LT! No, not anymore. We took them off after the first round. Too much static. You can check this way. You know, I noticed something. What happened to the others? I know LT and them are over here somewhere. Like you're supposed to
And
be.
then we had our sniper for a while. And then the
Yeah,
other
no
thing.
good, right? So I got all the battle bloody on you right here.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
How's it looking on ammo? Slide back. Time for a reload, huh? Did you? Oh, yeah, that thing's too much. Oh, smooth target. Ooh, storm. Ooh, shit. Turbo blade's not closed. That'd be interesting. Son of a bitch. Got this thing off of a friend after he got a new one. No wonder he got a new one. Better than nothing. Come on. Ah, son of a... Well, that's it. Oh wait, maybe I can put one more in there. Oh, come on, I know you hold more than that. There you go. See if this thing's empty. If you run out of bullets, we're fucked.
Yep.
There you go. Trying to save what ammo we can.
And
Oh, crouch camp. Hello everybody. This is my tent. Had to reload a pistol. That's a good reload. Come on, there you go. Right, say bye-bye to my pants. Back out to the open. LT! You're not afraid of thunderstorms.
oh, hold on.
Good.
Love
I only love them when it's cold rain.
That would be nice for that one.
No kidding. Here's a good drink. Penland! LT! We're back here. I swear to God, a Penland lights me up. Yeah, knows where they went. Crazy. I look for that damn game now again. Fuck them out here. I think we just strategically fucked ourselves too. Yeah, get out of this stuff. Here is our best thing, though. No idea where we're at. We're just chilling. We're gonna go this way. Fucking 5 of them just to take 2 of us. I ain't getting over that. Doesn't look like anything to you. Don't think so. What is going on over there? Hmm. 2, 4, 7? Is that Austin? Oh shit. Fuck, no. Alright, we gotta think of something. If Austin's over there, that means... Damn it. Damn it. They're playing patrol. No wonder we couldn't find him. I think that is Austin. Fuck me. I was like, wait, that ain't anybody I know. I got scared for a second. I thought it was a bad guy. It's like, oh man, we gotta figure out a rescue mission now. Oh crap, there's Penland. Are you kidding?
He probably ambushed and we probably found somewhere while we were right over there. To get over there.
We gotta think about it.
Deep shot.
Let me think. Advantage. They have no idea where we're at. There's only 5 of them left. Most of them have been hit at least once. They're talking. We're gonna have to go through that way and sneak around. I just hope they don't see us in the process. Problem? Hey! There's got 2 more guys out there somewhere.
Wait, I hear Katie.
Who?
Penland.
Oh. Oh, it's approaching there right now. I don't know what color it's point blank.
They hang there by their phone.
I've seen some pretty nasty ways people get approached. You right?
Yeah. People getting killed in the
Oh, I've seen stuff. I never want to see it again. I've seen this guy that smashed his teeth on a sidewalk. They flipped him over and tased him. And then right there, I kid you not, they took out this knife, cut out his thumbnails. Then just broke every one of his fingers before cutting them off. And hell, there's 8 of them. What the fuck am I gonna do? I ain't Superman. I was younger then. I've had a pretty fucked up life. I'm not explaining it to the camera though. I don't feel like the whole world knowing.
So weird.
The most I could do was tell somebody, hey, these guys are doing this out there. That's about all you can do. How the fuck?
You gotta use some fucking Amazon hunter.
Guess what? We're now tree climbers. I think. Maybe.
I don't even know.
We can get through that. Maybe. Maybe.
Good old Jack food.
Yeah. We'll give them more practical then. See where they're at. Oh, well, of course they are. The hell's the other two? 2, 4, 6, 7. The fuck Penland go? Oh, there she is. I was gonna say, how do you lose that shirt? I'm gonna say a scout squad? Coming at us? I don't know, the one guy's dead. Walking fast. Fresh area where we just came, they won't look better. We'll wait for them to go across the way and maybe we can get them. Yeah, get them. Because Austin Penland's walking this way too. If they're dead, I don't think they'll say anything. If they aren't dead, they'll probably call for us. This is where you pray for luck. Lord, guide my boat straight. And have mercy on the enemy's soul. Because I sure as hell ain't dark. With the advantage of color. None of us are bright like Penguin's shirt.
Yeah, make sure to wear different clothes.